Good morning, everyone.
How you doing, baby?
So good. I have my sleepy face on.
How you doing, Kara?
I'm so good.
She's smiling.
Oh, God.
How you doing, Anthony?
Oh, God.
Peachy.
Peachy?
Yeah.
Brandon?
What's up?
What's up?
I had to do the extra big smile for you.
Extra big smile. Bryson's on vacation right now, so Bryson, we love you and we wish you were here. We got something to show you. It's not quite done, but it's close enough to show you. So, follow me, follow me. Let's show you what we got going here. We got some construction going down. I've showed you building 1 before. We've got the 3 buildings now here at the compound. We're gonna spend next week bringing our stuff over here to building 1, but we were on delay because the warehouse portion was just unfinished. They had these massive ovens in here, if you remember, and it was just not working. But they were in here yesterday. They took all the ovens out. They got to clean up a little bit more, but they painted everything. So check this out. What do you think, babe?
Looks good.
Looks good.
Good job.
All new paint on the walls. We'll be able to take that board down and be able to have access to our kitchen space, but all fresh new paint. And we just got done talking about our production plan, and our production plan's looking good. But this weekend, what are we doing?
Me?
Anybody? Yes.
This weekend?
You got it.
Going to Fayetteville?
Yeah, we're going to Fayetteville to look at some things. But that's not what she was supposed to say. She was supposed to say, we're going to...
Oh, we're doing a launch!
There we go. There we go. We're doing a launch this weekend. There's not going to be any new flavors on this launch, but it's going to be the last time that we have pumpkin pie keto bricks. This was a seasonal flavor. Pumpkin pie keto bricks will be no more after they sell out from this launch. So, all the flavors are going to be restocked. Everything on the website is going to be in stock. All the main flavors. Peanut butter is not going to be in stock because that was a limited edition flavor. But we have the pumpkin pie. This is the last time pumpkin pie will be available until we bring it back next year. We just wanted to make sure that we had it through Thanksgiving. So get some bricks while they're still here. And there's one more announcement. You remember that one? You gonna say that one right?
No.
Come on. It rhymes with ticket.
Oh! We also, there is one more golden ticket that's going out this year, and it might possibly be in this batch that's going out.
And what does the golden brick ticket give you?
So the golden brick ticket, if I can remember correctly, you have the option of, if you are in the U.S., we will fly you out here. You can spend a weekend with us, getting to know the crew. You can
do bands of Brandon.
That's right.
Yeah,
Yep.
we can do workouts. We'll do a big cookout or something like that. Just have a good time with you for the weekend. Or you have the option to, if you are inside or outside the U.S., you can have a year supply of keto bricks sent to you.
Nice. Anthony,
Oh, Lord, don't do
when's the
this.
launch going down? What time?
Sunday,
Sunday?
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock?
It'll be open for everyone to start purchasing them. Pumpkin
What
pie
time
bricks.
zone?
Central time zone?
Central time
Is that
zone.
my time zone?
Kara, is that right?
Man.
Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
That's right?
Yeah.
So, just to recap, this Sunday, 12 noon Central, is our last launch of the pumpkin pie bricks. You won't be able to get them anymore after this, so get them if you want them. And there's a strong possibility that we're going to have a golden ticket in this launch. So, hope to see you on Sunday. See you there, or be square. Or be a brick, that's even better. Is we good? Okay. I don't know why we use that for the thumbnail. We just like big equipment, and we are talking about the new addition to the room, to the warehouse, so that seemed fitting. So, see you Sunday.